Ramogi TV.
Koramga jongre rog saga mar jotije makadhowad nam chumbi maong'ere kod nying mar Mombasa Port Sacco koro loko nyinge hayanga kaka Port Sacco. Jaratije mar Port Sacco Dedano Ndieki wacho ni mano koro en chakruok manyien madhi yango riwruog sagano kaka achiel kuom yore mag yudo hola mabiro gero ganda ka okalo kuom hola ma ichiwo kod yore manyasani. Port Sacco mano ochaki higni 57 mokalo sani nitiere kod jokanyo marom 11,700 kwan ma ichano medi nyaka jokanyo 16,800.
We want to launch our new branding from Mombasa Port Sacco to Port Sacco to reach a wider network of our members or would-be members. Currently we are over 11,000 and we are projecting to be over 20,000 come end of next year. We have adopted technology as a Sacco. We are able to disperse mobile loans through our digital platforms, and we have also even included a member portal where they can transact. We have also our website where they can register if they want and also get loans through their mobile phones. So we have adopted technology as a whole so that we can reach more members who may not necessarily want to come to the office for the same loans.